Hey guys! So I'm going to insert some before pictures of my skin. My skin is not perfect by now or right now, but it is improved. So here are some before pictures of my skin. And so now I just wanted to talk to you, so this is the skincare line that I have been using for the past 3 months. This is Bodescu Skincare. This is an acne starter regimen kit. So I got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it below as well as the price that I paid. I know it can vary occasionally on Amazon. So it comes with the cleanser, the toner, which is called a cucumber lotion, but it's a toner, the moisturizer, which is oil-free and SPF 17, and then there is a drying mask, which you should be using twice a week, and then a little drying cream that's kind of like a bonus. Super teensy thing. It's kind of like a clayish, has an interesting scent. But anyways, so I've been using this skincare regimen for the past 3 months on a daily basis. Occasionally I would forget. When I did forget or not use it, there was a noticeable difference in my skin. So skipping one day would result in more likelihood of a breakout. Just so that you know. So I used the so each day I used the face wash, the toner, and the moisturizer. And then in the evenings, as needed, I would use the drying cream. So you put this on before you go to bed, just in specific spots that you're breaking out. It does definitely like rub off on your pillowcase or whatever by morning. And it helps to, you know, expedite the drying process of that breakout. So I switched to this skincare system from the Equate, which is Walmart's version of the Proactive skincare line. I was very, very happy with that. The only reason that I switched is because I got pregnant, and you may not know this, but there are quite a few skincare ingredients that are not recommended for pregnant women. I don't know how many studies have done or exactly what the deal is, but they're not recommended. So when I realized I was pregnant, I had to stop I had like a retinol cream, sort of like an anti-aging thing, so I had to stop using that, and then I had to stop using that particular skincare. So this one does not contain anything that could be harmful to a pregnant woman and their child. So that is the reason for the switch. Some of the cons, I already mentioned that if you skip a day, it does make a difference. It does cause, it caused me to break out. If I would skip a day, it was a noticeable thing. I feel like that wasn't always the case with other acne skincare. Also, the cleanser has a very, very strong scent. And once you're done washing your face and it's rinsed off, it's gone. You don't smell it after that. But it is a very, it's kind of like my grandpa's aftershave. That's what it reminds me of. So, not terrible, just not quite what you would expect, and very strong. So if you are sensitive to scents, just want to put that out there and make you aware that that may be something you don't love. But again, once you rinse it off, it's gone. The positives, it is affordable, it is safe, and it does work reasonably well. I wouldn't say that it's amazingly effective for me. Again, everyone's skin is different. This is pregnancy, like cystic acne and just sort of the breakouts that I get when I'm pregnant. I tend to get like nose, chin, cheeks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And pretty consistent and pretty moderate, I would say, kind of substantial. I am in my mid to late 30s, in case you're wondering my age. And I do have some skincare issues. Obviously, normally I have some acne and it tends to get worse during pregnancy. So I knew that I wanted to continue with some sort of treatment for my skin. So I do think that this absolutely helped. I do not think that it was as effective for me as the Equate Proactive, but again, this is safe for pregnancy, so that's why I decided to stick with it. The scent is not great. but I do think that it's nice that it comes with so many things. 3 months in, I know everyone uses things differently. I am like 3/4 of the way through most of the products. So 3 months took me 3/4 of the way through like each of the bottles. So not so bad as far as like money wise. So I hope this is helpful to you if you were considering purchasing this and using it. Let me know if you have, or if you have used another skincare kit due to, you know, ingredients or, you know, anything like that. I would love to know what you're using and what you found to be effective, or if you tried this and how you felt about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will link below and maybe in cards above some of the other skincare acne treatment sets that I have tried and used for my skin that I have found, you know, and that are affordable. It's one of the key things for me. I want it to be affordable and effective, because usually you can find that. Not always, but usually. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave any questions or anything like that below. Thank you.